When we multiply two complex numbers, we use the exact same method as multiplying two binomials in algebra, FOIL. First, outer, inner, last. The only difference is that when we get an I² term, we replace it with -1. That is the only extra step. Everything else is pure algebra. Our problem is 2 plus 3i times 1 minus 4i. We start with FOIL. First, 2 times 1 gives us 2. Outer, 2 times -4i gives us -8i. Inner, 3i times 1 gives us 3i. And last, 3i times -4i gives us -12i². So after FOIL, we have 2 minus 8i plus 3i minus 12i². Now comes the step that makes complex multiplication unique. I² is not just a variable sitting there. It always equals -1. So -12i² becomes -12 times -1, which is +12. Our expression is now 2 plus 12 minus 8i plus 3i. From here, it is just combining like terms. The real parts, 2 plus 12, give us 14. The imaginary parts, -8i plus 3i, give us -5i. Our final answer, written in a plus bi form, is 14 minus 5i. The pattern is always the same. FOIL first, replace I² with -1, then combine like terms. Clean and consistent every single time.